Ever wondered how to solve a Rubik's Cube with one hand? It might sound like a challenge reserved for the most dexterous among us, but rest assured, with a little patience, practice, and guidance, it's an accomplishment within reach for everyone. So, let's plunge into the fascinating world of one-handed Rubik's Cube solving. First, it's essential to understand the basics of the Rubik's Cube. It's a puzzle with 6 different colored faces, each made up of 9 smaller squares. The objective is to get all the squares on each face to be the same color. Now imagine holding the cube in your hand. With your thumb on the bottom and your 4 fingers on top, you're ready to start. This grip allows you to rotate the cube freely while keeping control of its every move. The real challenge begins with the first step, solving the white cross. Look for white edge pieces and move them to the top layer, forming a cross. Remember, the center pieces are fixed, so align the edges with the correct center. Next, focus on solving the white corners. Locate the white corner pieces and move them to their correct location, ensuring the white corner piece matches the center pieces of its sides. With the first layer solved, it's time to solve the middle layer. Rotate the cube so the solved layer faces down. Now find the edge pieces without yellow and move them to their correct place in the middle layer. The last layer is where things get a bit tricky. First, form a yellow cross on the top layer. It doesn't matter if the edge pieces don't match their respective centers yet. After forming the yellow cross, arrange the corners so they're in the right place. They might not be oriented correctly yet, but that's okay. Now turn the corners so the entire top layer is yellow. Finally, move the edge pieces to their correct position. With this, you've solved the Rubik's Cube with one hand. So to summarize, first solve the white cross. Next, solve the white corners, then solve the middle layer. After that, form a yellow cross on the top layer. Arrange the corners in the right place, turn them so the top layer is yellow, and then move the edge pieces to their correct position. Remember, practice is key. It might seem impossible at first, but with time and persistence, you'll get the hang of it. So pick up a Rubik's Cube, follow these steps, and you'll be solving it with one hand in no time. It's a great way to challenge yourself, improve your dexterity, and impress your friends. Happy cubing!